Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to turn off Gemini activity in Google Gemini on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the plus button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do, of course, just go ahead to this Google Gemini applications on your phone. And after, if we use this Gemini application, it will be save or keep the activity in this application. So guys, if you want to turn it off, you just have to go ahead to this profile icon at the top right. After, go ahead to this Gemini apps activity, just tap on it. Well, in this Gemini activity page, you just have to go ahead to this on option, which is the keep activity is on my phone here guys, on my Gemini applications. So if you want to turn it off for the activity in this Gemini application, you just have to tap on this on option. After, it will be a pop-up and tap on this turn off option if you want to turn it off. Here I'm gonna tap on it like this. Now tap on this got it here guys. So as you can see, this is information that your activity hasn't been deleted. So here, just go ahead on this got it. And yeah, for the activity on your Google Gemini application is off right now, you guys. It will not save and keep your activity again. So yeah, I think it's enough for me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. And I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.